Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you are all doing marvellously, and it's Pancake Day. Well, at least I hope it is, and I've got this video out in time. But we're not doing the normal pancakes we usually do in the UK, which are more like crepes, which is French, by the way, for pancake. We're going to do the American style pancakes. So hopefully they turn out lovely and fluffy. So it's jingle time. So Pancake Day, or Shrove Tuesday, is a traditional feast day before the start of Lent, or Ash Wednesday. In the 40 days leading up to Easter, it was traditionally a time of fasting, and on Shrove Tuesday, Anglo-Saxon Christians went to confession because they had done a lot of sinning, like with swords and stuff, and were shroven, which means absorbed of all their sins. A bell would be rung to call people to confession, and this bell was called, you've guessed it, the pancake bell, and it was rung on that day. Shrove Tuesday always falls 47 days before Easter Sunday, so the date varies from year to year and falls between the 3rd of February and the 9th of March. This year it'll be on the 4th of March. Shrove Tuesday was the last opportunity to use up eggs and fats before embarking on a Lenten fast. And pancakes were the perfect way of using those ingredients. You also have a pancake race on Pancake Day, which was supposedly a woman cooked her pancakes and then she heard the bell ringing, so instead of like leaving the pancake, she ran with the pan, crazy, to go to church, and that's how the pancake race was invented or started. So, should we get to the cooking? So we are going to need a lot of ingredients. I mean, usually it's just flour, eggs, water, and maybe a dash of milk, but we're going to need self-raising flour. We've got baking powder, golden caster sugar, but I couldn't find caster sugar, so we've got granulated, butter, milk, and eggs. Wow. And you eat these in the morning. That's just crazy, with syrup. I don't know. Let's get adding the ingredients into this. Right, so we have 200 grams of self-raising flour. See if I can get the lid to hit the side of the bowl again. Nope. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. There's not a lot left in there, so we'll have to 1. And a half. Scissors. And you want a tablespoon of golden caster sugar. As I said before, I've got granulated. The golden colour, it just means it's unrefined. A bit like me sometimes. Dinner parties. Right. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of that sugar. So now we've got all the dry ingredients, we've got to add the wet stuff. We're going to add 25 grams of melted butter. Oh. 200 millilitres of milk. I've gone for full fat. In there, and then 3 large eggs. One. Shall I go for the one-handed? Shall I go for a one-handed crack? Let me see if I can do it. Oh yeah. And then we gotta mix that in. Just gonna fold it first, I think, with the spoon, and before I get the whisk. It looks quite thick. It's usually a bit thinner than this. But, join me in a couple of seconds when it's all done. Whoa, jeez. Ooh, Popeye's got nothing on me. Wow, is that done? It's got a lot of air bubbles in, which I presume that's a good thing. Is that nice? It's very thick. I suppose now all we have to do is fry up this batter and see what it turns out like. Oh, might have to go for a lie down first. Oh geez. So we have the butter there slowly melting. It says to use about 8 centimetres, but I'm not sure how much that is. And I've got my cups, look, so I might just use one of these to measure it. 1/3 cup. I don't know if that's enough, but there we go. Oh, that works out about right, I think. Or was that too big? Let's just let it cook and see what happens. So I'll just give it a toss. You don't want to see me tossing. So look at that. Oh, they're a lot thicker. It looks nice. Oh. You just see what's it look like under there. Is it done yet? Oh, yeah. So holy. It's like a crumpet. It's got that many holes in. It looks yummy though. I'm gonna cook off a few more and then I'll show you a stack as high as the Empire State. Don't they just look delicious? Oh, can't wait to tuck in. So just for reference, I used a 1/4 cup of batter and that seemed to work out quite well. It also depends how big you want them. I made about 10. So in the recipe it says put golden syrup on them. I don't have syrup because I don't really eat the stuff. Here in the UK it's traditional to have a bit of sugar and lemon, so I'll probably be putting a little bit of sugar on because I don't have any lemon either. I didn't prepare well, did I? I've got a bit of honey. Anyway, let's tuck in. So here we are, look, and this is how we usually eat them. You put the spread or whatever, sometimes I have them with chocolate spread, that is nice, and you roll them up and then you shove it in your gob. Oh, that sweetness of the sugar always wins out. They're so like thick, so much to chew through, and the texture. That is nice, very nice, and surprisingly filling as well. And I've noticed you can rip them as well like that. Look how much they just tear apart. Not like the normal ones, but it's a lot of ingredients, so it might not be best for Lent if you've only got stuff to try and clear out your cupboard. So there we go, American style pancakes. Let me know how you get yours soft and fluffy, and also how you make your pancakes in the comments. If I've done something horrendously wrong, I'm sure you'll let me know. Or you might have some little family secret recipes you want to share, or just let me know what you like to spread or drizzle all over your pancakes. And I hope you have a great flipping day, and I'll see you all next time. Take care of yourselves, stay safe out there, look out for one another. Cheery bye.